Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can make the channel scan. So at the first we have to simply go for the settings. Next go for the TV. Right now we have to go for the channel scan. You can pick, for example, cable. And now just wait for channels. Unfortunately I'm not connected, so in my case there will be no any search. It will be zero, the digital TV, radio and other data. But if you are connected and you correctly select your plug, so for example if you are using cable, you connect with cable, you pick it up, you will get some channels here. I'm going to close this menu because it's not important for me, but I just show you how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.